Action.
Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed oxygen is evolved in the presence of sunlight from the process of photosynthesis. But now in this class, we can discuss how to prove light. Light is nothing but sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Yes, how do we prove light is necessary? There is no light. What happened? Yes, there is no light. Plants cannot produce their own food. Plants cannot synthesize their food. Means starch, carbohydrate, etc. They can't prepare their own food. Okay. How can we prove? Yes, we can prove this experiment. We can prove when we study this experiment, we can automatically prove. Okay. Yes. So today our aim is to prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis process. Sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay. Materials required. What are the materials required in this process? Yes. First of all, potted plant. Potted plant. Okay. Potted plant. And design paper. Paper. Okay. And also, yes, paper clips. Paper clips. Watch glass. Watch glass. Or petri dish. Iodine or betadine are the materials. So, materials required in this experiment: potted plants, design paper, and paper clips, watch glass, iodine or betadine, etc. These materials. Okay, right. So, third heading is procedure. What is the procedure in this experiment? Yes, procedure means process. First of all, take a potted plant and kept it in dark for nearly 3 days or at least 7 days. Okay, 3 days or 7 days. Because of distorting of leaves. Distorting of leaves means, yes, to remove the starch. To remove the starch in the leaves due to absence of photosynthesis process. Okay, that is the first part. Take a potted plant and kept it in dark for nearly 7 days or at least 3 days to distorching leaves due to absence of photosynthesis. Okay, and the second point is take a black paper. Take a black paper and cut it with your own design like star or letters or symbols. Okay, take a black paper. Yes, why we can take in this experiment black paper? It is a non-transparent of the light. Okay, yes, it is not allow the light towards inward. Okay, let's take block design paper and cut it with your own design or symbol like this letter. Yes, we cut with the N symbol. We remove the paper in N symbol. Yes, arrange this black design paper. One of the leaf of potted plant, both side. One of the leaf of potted plant, both side with the help of paper clips. Okay. What is the first point? First of all, take a potted plant and kept it in dark for nearly 3 days, at least 7 days. Because of to remove starch or destarching due to absence of photosynthesis. Second point, take a black paper and cut it with your own design like a letter symbol or any symbol, star, any letters Next, arrange this design paper. Arrange this design paper towards of the leaf or one of the leaf of potted plant. Both side, yes, both side with the help of paper clips. Yes, and kept it under the sunlight for nearly 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours. Another is dark. Another is kept in dark. After 4 to 5 hours, remove the leaf from plant and test it. Starch is present or absent. Means test the leaf from iodine test or starch test. Observation. When we pour iodine on the leaf, yes, only the light occurring place or the light allowing place or design place is turned into blue or black, and the remaining place is not turned into blue or black because the design place allows light on the leaf, and undesigned black paper cannot allow light on the leaf. Okay. That's why only design part and uncovered black design paper area of the leaf is turned into blue or black as razor. So in this experiment, the design part and uncovered black design area of the leaf turn into blue or black. So we can prove, experiment to prove light is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, see the diagram. Let's take a potted plant and kept it in dark nearly for 7 days or at least 3 days. Okay, and select a leaf from the plant. Arrange the design paper on the leaf with the help of paper clips. Okay. Yes. First of all, we take a potted plant and in the dark. Next, take a block paper, cut it with your own design like star or any letter of the symbol. Arrange this block design paper. Yes, one of the leaf of potted plant towards both sides with the help of paper clips. Yes, and kept it under the sunlight. Kept this experiment under the sunlight nearly 4 to 5 hours. Okay, kept it under the sunlight nearly 4 to 5 hours. After 5 hours, remove the leaf from the plant and kept it in watch glass. Yes, and kept it in watch glass. Observe and test it iodine because the leaf is produced starch or not. Yes. When we put 1 or 2 drops of iodine on the leaf, yes, the block design paper and the design part is turned into blue or black, and uncovered area of the leaf is turned into blue or black. Okay, and remaining part is not turned into blue or black because of the design part allow light and uncovered. See that the black paper cover only this area, it is not covered. So this uncovered area and design area allow light, and they also obtain carbon dioxide, water from xylem. So they prepare starch. But the black paper covered area without design area, it is not allow light on the leaf. That's why it is not turned into blue black. It is also observed carbon dioxide, water, but it is not obtained light. Yes, that's why it is not turned into blue or black. So, result. What are the result? We are experimentally proved light is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay? Because the light presence area, see the design area and the uncovered area of block paper is turned into blower block. Yes, and without design area of the block paper covering area of plant leaf, it is not turned into blower block. Okay, right. Precautions. Yes, arrange the paper clips carefully both sides of the leaf and cut the design paper carefully. Before experiment, do not remove the plant or do not cut the leaf. Before experiment, do not cut the leaf from the plant. Okay? And put 1 or 2 drops of iodine only on the leaf. Okay? These are the precautions. So, I can explain briefly this experiment. What is the aim? To prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Materials required: potted plant, design paper, paper clips. See the paper clips? Paper clips and watch glass or petri dish, iodine or betadine. Iodine or betadine solution or starch indicator solution. Okay. Procedure: take a potted plant and keep it in dark for 7 days, at least 3 days, to destroy the starch due to absence of light or photosynthesis. Next, so take a block paper and cut it with your own design like starch and any symbol. Arrange this design paper, one of the leaf of potted plant, towards of both sides with the help of paper clips. Kept it under the sunlight at least 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, remove the leaf from the plant and test it from and start its presence or absence. Yes, the design area and uncovered black paper area turn into block because it is obtain light with carbon dioxide water. Okay, but uncovered area of the block paper without design area, it is obtained only carbon dioxide water and not for sunlight. Without sunlight, obtaining pot is not turned into block. Okay, right. Students, any doubts? Ask me in WhatsApp. Okay, right.